Hi, this is Clara for Blockchain of Things. This tutorial will teach you about the List Owned Assets node and how it's used in Catenis Flow. The List Owned Assets node on Catenis Flow allows you to see a list of all Catenis smart assets or tokens that are owned or held by a given device. It also gives you the ability to filter on the amount of assets this virtual device holds and skip a specified number of assets. This node's Properties panel contains the Name field, which allows you to enter a descriptive name for each node, and the Connection field, where you can set your previously configured Catenis virtual device connection or configure a new virtual device. In the Limit field, enter a number here to limit how many assets will print. This is optional and is useful if there are many assets and you don't want to print all of them. In the Skip field, enter a number here to skip listing a set amount of assets starting from the top. This field is also optional. Now, let's take a look at the example flow found at this link. Copy the example flow, click the Node-RED hamburger menu, and click Import to display the Import Flow dialog box. Paste the flow into the import box and click the Import button. This flow is a working example implementing the List Owned Assets node. Note that after importing the example flow, you will need to set the Catenis Flow nodes to your own previously configured virtual device. If you don't remember how to do this, check out the video at this link. You can pause this tutorial now to explore this flow on your own, and in the next video, you'll learn how to create this flow from scratch. Note that inputs injected into the Catenis Flow nodes containing alternate node properties will override the properties set on the Node Slide-Out Properties panel. Fantastic! Now you should understand List Owned Assets nodes. Now move on to our next tutorial, where you'll learn how to use the List Owned Assets node in your own flow.